It is day 3. Bit of a wet night last night. Everything in the tent feels damp, condensation, the joy of a single layer tent. Walhalla to Licola today. And the duckies are here. Hey duckies. It's time for a coffee, some breakfast, and try and dry some shit out before I go. The local barbecue. Can use as a drying rack. Pretty good. Up we go. Bit of a climb in front of us, 6 k's or so. Good little warm up for the legs. This is what it's all about. Getting out into the backcountry with your mates, pushing your bikes up hills, just enjoying every minute of it. Pushing the body, the mind. Oh, so beautiful. Beautiful views out there. Look at the countryside. Tell you what, it is amazing how good a little bit of sunshine can make you feel. Oh, so nice to be riding in the warm, in this beautiful country. These gums up here with the red leaves are amazing. Woo! Oh my God, it's beautiful! Wow, what have we found here, boys? How cool is this from NDPS grade 4? What have they said? Have they written us a little letter? That's pretty cute. Dear bike rider, go, go, go. Don't let it get ahead of you. Don't die down. We're following you on the map. Good luck. Keep up the good work. What a bunch of legends. Oh, I didn't see that one. That's a good one.
Yeah, that's a
3D. I like it. He's a graphic designer in the works here. Awesome. Legend.
That's pretty funny. 100k to go, and then someone's put a little star.
7:27. Actually, they've got a bit to go still. Little update. Rear tyres being a bit annoying, losing a bit of air. Running out of water on the Lakota Road. Climbing. Working really hard. Trying not to drink my water. Make sure I can make it the full distance there. But in all this, look at the views. Oh my God, there's an eagle over there. There's a couple of them. 2 wedge tails. So beautiful. So green. Plenty of water around. Not a drop to drink. Another 1.2 k's on this climb to go. And we are heading out there somewhere. See you later, eagles. Tip of the day is when you are feeling the pain up a big climb like I'm doing now, find some beauty. Stop and watch an eagle fly. Look at the scenery. Suddenly nothing hurts quite as much. Little boost of energy. Could be that gel I had 10 minutes ago as well. Heading up the hill into Licola. How you going, Tim?
Yep.
We are halfway through the second to last big climb. Another 2 k's to go on this one. Whew. It's hurting. Good work, bro. How are ya?
Howdy, Fiji man again.
Welcome. Good work. G'day guys, just wanted to put a huge shout out to the Nuremberg Denison Primary School Grade 4 kids. Thank you so much for your beautiful letters, your amazing drawings. They really gave all the hunt riders who rode past there a huge boost. So to you kids, I just wanted to say you guys are legends and thank you. Also, I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope you're enjoying this hunt series as much as I enjoyed writing it. Keep an eye out for a few more episodes to come. And just also wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody who has liked and subscribed and commented on my channel. It's really amazing, your support. I hope you enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy making them for you. And yeah, happy 2023 and see you on a trail sometime soon.